Welcome to Learning English at Home. In this series, you'll practice real conversations for every step of your journey through the airport and beyond. Good afternoon. Welcome to the United States. May I see your passport and customs form, please?
Good afternoon. Sure, here are my passport and declaration form.
Thank you. Where are you arriving from today?
I'm arriving from Paris, France.
What is the purpose of your visit to the United States?
I'm here for business. I have meetings in New York City.
How long will you be staying?
About 2 weeks.
Where will you be staying?
At the Marriott Hotel in Manhattan.
Okay. Did you bring any food, plants, or agricultural products with you?
Just some chocolates as gifts for my colleagues.
Chocolates are fine. Any meat, fruits, or vegetables?
No, none.
Are you carrying more than $10,000 in cash?
No, only about $800 and a credit card.
Do you have alcohol or cigarettes?
Just 1 bottle of wine.
That's within the limit. Can you put your luggage on the inspection table, please?
Of course. Here it is.
I see clothes and business documents. Nothing restricted?
Yes, that's correct.
Did you pack this luggage yourself?
Yes, I did.
And has anyone given you items to carry for them?
No, everything belongs to me.
Very good. Here's your passport back. Your luggage is cleared.
Thank you very much. Do I need to keep this declaration form?
Nope, you can discard it. Welcome to the U.S. and enjoy your stay.
Thank you very much. Have a good day.
You too. Key phrases you learned today. May I see your passport and customs form? Did you bring any food, plants, or agricultural products? Are you carrying more than $10,000 in cash? Did you pack this luggage yourself? Your luggage is cleared. Dialogue 2. On the plane. Good afternoon. Welcome aboard. May I see your boarding pass, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Your seat is 18A by the window. This way, please.
Great, thank you. Excuse me, could you help me put my bag in the overhead compartment?
Of course. Let me lift it for you. There we go.
Thanks a lot.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, could I have some water, please?
Certainly. With ice or without?
Without ice, please.
Here you are.
Thank you very much.
We also have coffee, tea, juice, and soft drinks. Would you like anything else?
Could I have an orange juice as well?
No problem. Here you go.
Excuse me, could I also get a blanket?
Sure, I'll bring one right away.
Thank you. Oh, and could you show me how to adjust the seatbelt?
Yes, just pull on the strap to tighten and lift the buckle to release.
Got it. Thanks. Excuse me, how much longer until we land?
We'll land in about 2 hours.
Perfect. Do you know what the weather is like in New York?
The captain announced it's sunny and 22 degrees Celsius.
That's nice. Thank you for the information.
My pleasure. Dinner service will begin soon. Would you prefer chicken or pasta?
Chicken, please.
Here's your meal. Enjoy.
Thank you. Everything looks great. Excuse me, could you take my tray?
Of course. Did you enjoy your meal?
Yes, it was very good.
I'm glad to hear that. If you need anything else, just press the call button.
Will do. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a comfortable flight.
Key phrases you learned today.
Could I have some water, please? May I get a blanket? How much longer until we land? Could you help me with my seatbelt? Thank you for your help. Dialogue 3. At the baggage claim.
Excuse me, could you tell me where the baggage claim area is?
Of course. Just follow the signs ahead. For your flight Delta from London, the bags will arrive at Carousel 7.
Thank you. Is it far from here?
No, just a short walk. You'll see a large screen showing your flight number.
I've been standing here for half an hour, but my suitcase hasn't arrived. What should I do?
Don't worry. Sometimes luggage is delayed. Let's go to the lost luggage desk and check. Could I see your baggage tag, please?
Yes, here it is. It matches my boarding pass.
Thank you. Could you describe your suitcase?
Sure, it's a medium-sized black suitcase with wheels. It has a red tag and a silver lock.
All right, let me check in the system. It seems your bag was left in London. It will arrive on the next flight tonight.
Oh, I see. That's a little stressful. How will I get it back?
No worries. We can deliver it to your hotel once it arrives. Could you give me the hotel address?
Yes, I'll be staying at the Hilton Midtown, room 405.
Perfect. Please fill out this lost luggage form with your name, contact number, and hotel details.
Here you go. How long will it take?
Usually within 24 hours. We'll call you before delivery.
Thank you. And what if I need my bag urgently?
You can also come back here tomorrow to collect it if you prefer.
No, delivery to the hotel sounds better. I appreciate your help.
You're welcome. Sorry for the inconvenience.
It's okay. At least I know where my suitcase is. Thanks again.
My pleasure. Have a good stay in New York. Key phrases you learned today.
Where is the baggage claim area?
My suitcase hasn't arrived.
Could you describe your suitcase?
It's a black suitcase with a red tag.
Please fill out this lost luggage form.
We'll deliver it to your hotel. Dialogue 4. Asking for directions inside the airport.
Excuse me, could you tell me where gate C12 is?
Of course. Just follow the signs ahead, then turn left at the food court.
Thank you. Is it far from here?
Not too far, about a 5-minute walk.
Perfect. And where is the restroom, please?
The restroom is just before gate C12 on your right.
Great. And what about restaurants?
There's a cafe and a fast food area near the gate.
That sounds good. I may stop there. Oh, one more thing. Where can I find the information desk?
The information desk is right in the center hall. If you walk straight ahead, you'll see it next to the elevators.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a safe flight.
Thanks. Bye.
Key phrases you learned today. Key phrases you learned today.
Excuse me, could you tell me where? Is it far from here? Just follow the signs. Straight ahead. On your right. On your left.
Dialogue 5. Currency exchange and SIM card counter.
Excuse me, where can I exchange money?
The currency exchange counter is right over there, next to the baggage claim exit.
Thank you. Walks to counter. Hello, I'd like to exchange 300 euros into US dollars.
Of course. The exchange rate today is €1 to $1.05.
Are there any fees?
Yes, there's a $5 service fee.
That's fine. Please go ahead.
Here you are, $310 in cash. Please count it.
Perfect. Thank you. Hello, I'd like to buy a SIM card for my phone.
Sure. We have a 7-day plan and a 30-day plan. Which would you like?
The 30-day plan, please. How much data does it include?
It includes 10 gigabytes of data, unlimited calls and texts within the US.
Great. How much is it?
$35.
Okay, I'll take it. Can you help me install it?
Of course. Please give me your phone. Install SIM. Done. It's ready to use.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Key phrases you learned today.
Where can I exchange money? What's the exchange rate? Are there any fees? I'd like to buy a SIM card. How much data does it include?
Closing for dialogues 1 through 5.
Great job! You've now practiced the essential conversations for traveling by air. Answering questions at customs, requesting help from flight attendants, reporting missing luggage, asking for directions, and exchanging money or buying a SIM card.
Key phrases you learned in this unit.
May I see your passport and customs form? Could I have some water, please? My suitcase hasn't arrived. Excuse me, could you tell me what's the exchange rate?
Keep practicing these phrases aloud until they feel natural. The more you repeat, the more confident you'll sound on your next trip. Follow us for the next lessons where we'll continue with more practical travel English.